The Cygnus system. A major innovation in wireless emergency and evacuation alarms for construction sites. Cygnus is an elite emergency alarm system designed and developed with major construction organizations. The system connects on a Category 1 radio frequency, which conforms to EN 300-220-1. The use of high-performance Category 1 radios ensures maximum range even in the presence of other strong local signals, and with its mesh protocol, devices are not reliant on direct communication with the control panel. The system is made up of various devices that can be used in any sequence and many surroundings. The control panel, which is an optional element, is used to capture data from devices situated around a site. The data, which is displayed on an LCD screen, includes active alarms, battery low warning, signal failure, first aid alert, heat and smoke detector activations, and much more. It is capable of holding event logs, so the user can go back to an event to find an accurate date and time of any alert. The control panel, which can run for up to a month using its internal battery, also operates on mains power. The battery will automatically start charging when the panel is connected to mains. The panel has other features, including an evacuate site function, which can be used in case of emergency, and also has output to connect to on-site paging systems and/or auto-dialing facilities for off-site and out-of-hours protection. The Cygnus call point alarm operates using a single battery pack and is IP65, thus suitable for external use. The device is normally situated around a site in prominent places, such as main escape routes and fire points. It also has a sounder with an output of 120 decibels. In addition, a beacon is incorporated on the face of the alarm for visual alert in excessively noisy areas where ear defenders are worn. The call point is pushed to raise an alarm which activates all other devices around the entire site. New to the market is the combined Cygnus call point alarm and first aid alert. This device also operates using a single battery pack, is IP65 rated, and works in a similar way to the standard call point type. It has an additional button for first aid emergencies, which operates in a different way to an evacuation alarm so as to distinguish the type of alarm. When a first aid alert is raised, each first aid device will beep intermittently every 8 seconds. The message is sent to the control panel to alert a first aider and can also trigger a paging system if required. The paging system is wired to the control panel, which has a designated output and transmits alert messages to handheld devices carried by first aiders. This will work in the case of all other alerts and alarms too. The Cygnus smoke and heat detectors are from the Apollo range. These extensively tested and high-quality detectors are used commercially worldwide. They work in the same way as the other devices, using the same Category 1 radio module and battery pack. All Cygnus devices can operate in groups, otherwise known as zones, of up to 32 units. The system is capable of controlling 15 zones in the wider system, operating on the same frequency, but distinguished by different zone addresses. This means a total of 480 devices can be addressed into a single system. Where there are multiple sites within range of each other, the Cygnus system has been designed to operate on different site addresses in order to keep each system separate and free from interference. Each Cygnus device in the system provides the panel with information at regular intervals. This explicit information confirms the unit is still present and monitors the battery status of each device. This message is known as its heartbeat. If the heartbeat is not heard for several intervals, the control panel logs a fault status for that device. The Cygnus system has been specifically designed for use in dense concrete and steel-structured buildings and areas where there are many other radio frequencies in operation. Therefore, particular attention has been given to achieving an impressive connection range. Each Cygnus device is addressable, which ensures the minimum probability of clashes within the zone. A computer is required for this process prior to installation and would normally be completed by your Cygnus provider before arriving on site. Addressing and parameter changes will require training on the Cygnus software, which can be purchased in addition to the system. This software platform, known as the GUI, requires some initial training but is built with simplicity in mind. Many wireless alarm users agree that the Cygnus system offers huge benefits compared to that of the competition. This is the first system of its kind to have a first aid alert function, and no others can address such a high capacity of zones and devices. Coupled with these benefits, the Cygnus system is CE certified and has been rigorously tested to meet all relevant standards. We offer a 1-year guarantee on all devices and have an unprecedented level of technical, on-site and after-sales service support, in addition to our standard maintenance contracts.